Nicholas, and this is an introduction to our van conversion.
We're interior designers and antique dealers, so we need a huge van.
Yeah, it's quite big, to be fair. It's probably bigger than what we actually need now.
Yeah, a little bit too big for what we need, so we're going to try and convert it into a semi kind of permanent motorhome while still being a van that we can carry stock around in.
Yeah, this is what's going to make our conversion a little bit different, because essentially we need to still, it needs to have a bed, it needs to have a kitchen, but it needs to be a van.
Yeah. We're going to do all the main things properly, so we're going to insulate it, we're going to reclad it, we're going to hopefully pop a window in there as well, but we are on a pretty tight budget of £1,000.
Yeah, £1,000. It's going to be tight.
Yeah, it's going to be really tight, but we'll see how we do. We're going to try and use reclaimed materials as well, so hopefully that keeps the budget down.
And makes it look freaking awesome. We want it to look amazing, obviously with our background and interiors and stuff. Yeah. It needs to look great and be a fun place to travel in and to be in. That's what we want. Yeah,
totally. So if you can follow us, see how we do over the next few weeks. We're going to be learning as we go as well on a few things, so it could be quite funny.
Yeah, I'm sure there's going to be quite a few mistakes. We don't really know what we're doing. So yeah, maybe don't copy us, but we'll probably make those mistakes for everyone else.
If you've got any tips, let us know.
So today is day one of our £1,000 van build. So we've got all the conversion plans ready, and we've bought loads of stuff, and we'll say what we've spent all our money on and everything, so you can see all of that. But today is taking out the floor, probably priming the floor, and getting a few bits done. It's really rainy outside, and I'm doing this in the cab because we're doing this at my parents' house, just because we live on the main road and we just didn't want to do all this stuff on the main road. So we're out here, but they're actually having a garage built, so there's some kind of whacking concrete situation going on. So yeah, trying not to get all of that sound in, but yeah, I'll show you now what Ed's up to. Right, let's go and have a look. Okay, the start of the van. Right, so like I said, first start is taking off this floor. Well, I'm not going to video much longer because it's so noisy. Third time left. Woo! Yeah. Now.
That's really clean.
Yeah. It looks alright.
Don't think we have to clean it. Thoroughly cleaning the base of the van was a really important job. Also a labour of love. The dirt on there had been on there for a long time, so it took some elbow grease to get it up. Any rust patches, we also put some primer on to treat those, so it should be all good.
Okay, so it's kind of going pretty well. I'm assuming we just kind of wrap it like a present, I suppose. I've just done some like cuts and stuff into it. Quite easy stuff to use, quite like this aluminium tape. We bought one roll, which I think was £6. I think we're going to need a few of these now.
What's this for?
Well, apparently one of those things everyone talks about is vapour barrier. So this is a vapour barrier and heat insulation stuff. Again, I'm just doing this because this is what we've seen other people do. And it feels warmer already. Wheel arch is covered. Because I was doing that, Ed's cracked on with sawing the insulation, the Celotex or whatever. Our brand we've got is Kingspan. So yeah, we got this stuff just because it was just a touch cheaper, and we got 25mm, and that one seems to go in pretty well, Ed. Woo! Hands free. Yeah. Day one of van conversion is done. Let's have a little look inside. Oh yeah, that's some silver stuff. It's looking quite clean and tidy. You can kind of see where we've done some of the priming work. So yeah, pretty happy. How are you feeling about it, Ed?
Very pleased. No.
You don't look pleased.
I never look pleased. I'm very pleased.
Yeah, a bit of Tina. So at the minute, we are just, what's that, just, remember? Don't stand on the glue.